this could actually mean nothing at all. It could mean nothing. Now for Instagram, there's a part of Instagram where you can set up your page where you can upload something, but it's like a pre-scheduled upload. Yeah, so you can, that could be the case. Now I do think though, but I do think though it can also mean something. I do know you're gonna find persons coming in the comment section saying he's not with the team, he's just out on holiday enjoying himself, and all these type of things. But we have to have this discussion surrounding Leon Bailey and the post that he made last night at that particular time. At that particular time. So certainly many persons are going to say, boy, MG, you know me nothing, and it's just the ball now with the camp, so why, if the ball was with the team when they say now gonna make no difference, now he's with the team when they still cause problem. Relevance. Relevance, relevance, relevance. Welcome back people to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining. Massive, massive appreciation for the continued support, people. Thank you as always. Now we're going to have a look at a post that Leon Bailey made and ensure we're going to highlight the timings of the post, which is, I think is quite important that we look at that as well, because that in itself is one of the main reasons why I am doing this video. So last night, on the brink of the Reggae Boyz basically exiting the Copa America. Basically exiting the Copa America. This is a post that Leon Bailey made right immediately after, like right after the Reggae Boyz conceded their third goal. Leon Bailey posted a video saying good vibes, you know, the emoji and the eyeglasses on. I do believe though that many persons are going to say, boy, it means nothing. A lot of persons are going to say it means nothing. And I have people say, boy, it actually means something. It's a cryptic message. It's a cryptic message. But it will come up for a discussion. 100%. It will come up for a discussion. And the reason for that is, he's a player. He should have been in the squad. He didn't. He opted to go to support. So basically, that's the main reason why it will come up for discussion. Now, let's look at it on two hands. One hand is this. It was a pre-scheduled. It's a pre-scheduled. It was a scheduled post, or a post means nothing. He was not even watching the Reggae Boyz game. It's just Leon Bailey on his holiday, doing his training session, and enjoying himself on his holiday, which nothing at all is wrong with that. He's entitled to do anything with his social media. He's entitled to do anything with his personal life. He's entitled to do all of that, and nothing at all is wrong with that. So the post would mean nothing. He's on his holiday. Jamaican supporters said they never want him in the squad. So him being there means nothing. Him not being there means nothing at all. So this is all in good hands and means nothing at all. That's one way to look at it. It's just Leon Bailey enjoying himself on holiday, post whenever he feel like, or anytime he feel like. Now, on the other hand, which just as well give you that side of it, which is legitimate, on the other hand, let's have a look on this. Now, the timing of the post was crucial. So what we don't give the Leon Bailey side of things, right? So where him feel contented to do anything that he feels to do on his personal life, in his personal life, and also on his personal social media page, which is nothing at all is wrong with that. No, guess what? Reggae Boyz are playing last night, and just as though Ecuador scored that third goal, boom, notification. All our Reggae Boyz supporters who follow Leon Bailey get notification. And the notification saying good vibes. No? The big question is, ask yourself this question. Was Leon Bailey watching that game? Do you think Leon Bailey was watching that game? If he's not watching the game, that's questionable. From the fans' perspective, that is very, very much questionable. Your team is playing. Your team is playing, and you're not watching. You're not watching the team. This is the team that you say you love. These are your brothers out on the pitch that you say you respect. You say you highly you rate them, and love forever. This that rated a play one important game, and you're not watching and supporting. So we're gonna assume say now watch. That's on panel here. But if he's watching and choose to make that post at that particular time, no, he's putting on his story. A lot of posts is on his story from in the day about the same training regime that he's going through. But he chose to post because that was not just then, you know. He chose to post that picture at the dying moment of the moment of when Ecuador scored a goal, like a minute after or a couple seconds after Ecuador scored a goal, he chose to post that picture. Something in it don't explain to me, say boy, nothing could have, probably nothing in it. But if he decide to do this, I think he 100% is disrespecting his teammates. We don't care about the JFF. We don't business about the JFF. If he disrespecting his teammate, so even if boy, I know Jamaica don't do nothing for him, say I know Jamaica might do it for. But his teammates that he has been friends with, that him say him gonna battle with, fight together, and you choose to make that post. And funny enough, nothing in that post. It's not like he must say, boy, yeah man, if you lose, or it's a horrible performance. No. He just said good vibes. But the timing of the post, at that point in time, the Reggae Boyz supporters, your brothers in arms, are suffering. And if you were watching that game, I could not believe that is the time when you choose to post and say good vibes. Is it a case that you are enjoying watching that game, watching your brothers losing, watching the disdain in their face, the agony that they're going through, and you choose to make that post, say, hey, I'm liking what I'm seeing, I'm enjoying what I'm seeing, because what, I should be there. Is that the case? Because I'm not there, you should suffer. Is that the case? As I said, nothing can be in it. Nothing at all could be in this post. Nothing. It could mean nothing. It could be just Lee and Bailey enjoying his summer. But on the other hand, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. People are coming in the comment section and say, a long time I don't like Bailey. You can do anything when you feel like. You can this and that and rate it. Interesting. Not all wrong with it. Do what you feel. Do what you feel. But I can tell you, the world we live in, I recently watched an interview with Pogba, and Pogba speaking about being at the highest level. All the glamour and what he's doing right now, what's happening right now. I'm not saying that the same thing might happen. What I'm saying is, when you're high up, when you're high up in the sky, or the pinnacle of where you want to be very, very careful of who you step on going to there, or to be there. Because you will need a shoulder to fall back on. That this is life. This is life. This is how things are. So you have to be very, very careful. And as I said again, it could mean nothing at all. It could mean nothing at all. But there's still a chance that it actually means something. I mean, no, so people are coming in the comment section, come make nice and beat me and this and say MG this, MG that. Even when truthfully, we don't say nothing wrong. I'm going to two side. I gave you guys a two side of him having the right to do what he feels to do, him having the right, his own rights to do what he thinks he can do in his private time, on his private social media. Nothing at all is wrong with that. We keep on say it. But on the other hand, where the fans are looking on, fans who support you, fans who support the team that you play for, your brothers that was out there on the battlefield, tissing and toiling and fighting with the Ecuadorian team, losing the heartbreaking goal to concede, being cheated out as well. Let's imagine how they're feeling on the pitch. And that is the pose at that particular time you decide to make. You could say tough loss and post the boys and say we can come back again. Because remember I said, are you supporting? Or maybe you're not watching. And if you're not watching, that is very, very questionable. If you're not watching the team that you play for, that you say you support, that you say the country that you say you love. All football fans, even players who don't even play for Jamaica as yet, are watching, posting it on their page. Go and check it out. Many English players who haven't even played for Jamaica posting that they're watching. But you, a player for the team. As the fans that come in the comment section and customer say, him not own nobody, nothing can do and feel like. I guess that's the case. But people, me know about who no. To me look on both sides of things. Side where him have all right to do anything if you like and not mean nothing. The side where it actually means something. What do you now think the players in the dressing room are looking at this and saying? Here go on, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You never have to like it. You never have to subscribe. You never have to do nothing. You can dislike the video at 40 minutes. You can put more dislike on the video than like. I don't care. I tell you how I feel. And last night I was upset about the performance, about the refereeing decision, and then to see this, to add on upon it, a player all we follow up on social, all we, you know, yeah, what galvanize every time. See, you man, do your thing, baller, right here. And this now face, I mean, as I said, still no found might not look on this, because I realize that no found not really patriotic still. So I guess I may look on it wrong. I'm highly patriotic, and I guess because I was a part of the why me look at life this way. But so you go, people, big up on yourself, smash like button. As we said, no, dislike, blast it, dislike it, because no found most of them are barely followers, so they dislike it, backside after all. You are gone, me soon again, big up. Sure.